Hello students, how are you? This is Akansha Pandey from LPM Public Schools, and today's in previous as we know that in previous lectures we have learned about the states of matters and types of any types of matters. As we know that there are three types of any matters: solid, liquid and gas. And now today we are going to explain about the evaporation, condensation and solidification. So firstly we have learned about the evaporation. Evaporation occurs when we heat a liquid, then the particle of liquid get excited. As a result, collision increases and liquid convert into gas. During evaporation, particles of the substance absorb heat from the surrounding also when they are kept at room temperatures. Hence, when heat from the surroundings is being absorbed, then we feel a cooling effect as heat from the surrounding is used in the evaporation process. Therefore, we can't conclude that the process of evaporation causes cooling. And next is condensation. Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. It is the reverse of evaporations where liquid water becomes a vapor. Condensation happens one of two ways: either the air is cooled to its dew point or it becomes so saturated with water vapor that it cannot hold any more water. So students, next is solidification. Solidification is the process of transformation of a liquid to a solid. In solidification, a solid phase is nucleated and grows with a crystalline structure. For the case where a solid crystalline phase does not nucleate in the cooling process, glassy structures are formed. So students, the example of after evaporation. After evaporation, the liquid convert into gas, and during the condensations anything after cooling the solid is changed into liquid as like water. And solidification, the example of solidification is the ice cube. When the water is cooled, then it changed into ice cube, that is called solidification. Students, I hope you will be understood about this. Thanks a lot for watching this video.